You don't have to choose between the convenience of website builders and the flexibility of writing your own code. Whether you want to track your website's performance or create custom interactions, Elementor Pro's custom code features empower you to make the most of every function, variable, and script. Easily organize and manage all your active scripts and codes from one place, and inject codes into any part of your website. And as you already know, where you add custom code to your website is crucial for optimizing performance and functionality. So Elementor Pro helps you inject your code into the right place. Choose the head tag to add Google Analytics with the defer attribute to run the scripts without compromising the page's loading time. You can also add codes like dark mode to the body start tag, or scripts with visually engaging interactions like the custom cursor or accordion widget that expand on hover to the body end tag. Elementor Pro also makes writing code efficient with the intuitive autocomplete feature that suggests commands, functions, variables, and more. Autocomplete doesn't only make coding smoother, it also comes with robust error handling that helps you catch and correct mistakes effortlessly, allowing you to spend less time debugging and more time creating. And once you're finished writing your code, choose where to inject it. Set display conditions to choose which pages and archives you want your codes to run on. For example, you can decide where you want to run your visually engaging scripts according to their position on your site, and try the AI code editor for free to instantly write code that brings your vision to life with a prompt. So if you want to track data, customize designs, and tailor widgets functionality to your specific needs, start using custom code the professional way. Upgrade to Elementor Pro.